super easy. You know, sharing with you guys that. Yo, that's crazy! What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and we're just starting it up. Very simple. I'm actually walking towards the shop where my car is located. As you can see in the thumbnail, it is all taken apart and it's done now. I went to a shop, to my favorite paint shop, and I got some panels done, the front end and whatnot. I'll show you guys later, but you know, the car has some rock chips, over 15 years of rock chips, so I mean, it wasn't too bad, but you know, I wanted to be perfect, and there was a few other panels that needed some touch up. But we're walking in the streets of Connecticut. As you can see in the background, all the streets are starting to bloom, and it's gonna be beautiful. Today is a gorgeous day, so I'm gonna get a lot of videos done today. Hopefully I can get things done. It's been very rainy the several weeks, so today it's a gorgeous day, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. As you can see, I get the beer going because of the quarantine. You know, there's a lot of things that are closed down, especially the barbershop. So I kind of just touched it up, and I'm rocking the beer. It doesn't look too bad. Never like let it go this long, so it looks very interesting. I'm thinking about letting it go until this is over, but by then I'm probably like, it'll be crazy long. Sorry, the camera is a little shaky, but I just recording with my cell phone here. Yeah, it's a few, maybe 10 minutes walk. Not too bad, so I'll see you when I get there. Guys, this thing is so nice. Oh my goodness. I'm looking at it right now, guys. It's so much better than before. The paint is just so vivid. I love it. I mean, it looks almost the same as before, because the original paint was just as nice, but it has no flaws, like no rock chips or anything, and the front is just beautiful. Ugh, I love it. I want to show you guys, but not yet. I want to find a nice spot to show you. Are you guys ready? There you go, guys. The car is back in the channel. We got the front end all sorted out. It was hard to tell in camera, but now everything's just flawless. There's no rock chips at all. There was like some deep ones in this area, and now it's perfect, yo. I cannot, like, especially like here I had the original license plate hole in the center, and that used to bother me so much, and now it's like perfect, guys. Check this out. I did the front end and this side as well. Man, I wish you guys can see this in person, but it's just so flawless. Like, ugh, the sun went away, so you can't see the sparkle, but just the front, just the whole car is just so mint right now. This side, it was like the most, the one that had like blemishes and stuff. There was like some touch-up spots here that we got sorted out, so that's why I didn't really paint the whole car. Eventually I will, whenever I have more time, but I needed the car back in the channel to actually like record videos for you guys. So I only did you know, what was needed for now, and in the future I'll send it out, maybe like in the off season, in the winter or something. I'll send it out and get the car finished up and the other side and whatnot. But as it is, guys, it's absolutely gorgeous, perfect in my eyes, and I got done exactly what I needed to get done. So we're gonna start making videos, guys. Can't wait to actually start the process. I actually have my equipment there, as you can see, some boxes opened up, which is the start to the series. I'm gonna change a few things on the car in the engine bay, interior, and the exterior.
I mean, there's a lot that's going to be done to this car in the upcoming months, so stay tuned, guys. Oh, another thing that I noticed, well, not that I noticed, but I know I need to get done. The sticker, we had to remove it because this whole side got painted. So I'm gonna put the Type S, Integra Type S sticker, not this version right here. I'll show you guys in a second. This version right here, this is the black version, which comes with Integra in black and the outline in black as well. So the other one, the other version is actually like a gray, which is more suitable for these colors. This one is kind of hard to tell, as you can see from far away, the Integra portion. So I'm changing that to the gray version, which is going to stand out a lot more, especially from this view right here. You see, you can only see the Type S, but I want the Integra as well to be visible. And those stickers are in the website, guys, so you can check it out if you want. But I'm going to install the gray version of those on this car, and that's pretty much it. They didn't really like remove a lot of things. I mean, they removed a lot, but things that I need to put back is just the sticker, and everything should be all set. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to show you guys how the car came out. I'm actually going to start working on other videos right now. Hint, Acuity videos. I'm gonna start recording right now. I'm gonna shoot some videos of some parts that I need to get out, and as you can see, the car is ready for camera action. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe. More videos to come. Due to the COVID-19, we actually, kind of suspended and did other things, like painting the car in the meanwhile, but now we're ready, so let's get started. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.
Lovers left lying in the dark, never read about the lights or the dark. Across the world, across the ocean, you are. Finding the lights that back inside will never, never die. Never, never die.